Good afternoon, peeps. TikTok is up and running. Not sure why you can't see it so good, but let me see something. Interesting. Okay, well, let's go live here. Do. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Recording in progress.
How do I pull them? How can I get my... How do I make that one bigger? What's up, peeps?
What's up, Coach?
What's up? Who is that? I don't even know who you are. Hold on. Get back. All right, now we can get back over to here and see who's talking. Sorry, I didn't catch who that was.
Oh, it's all good, Coach.
Drew?
Yes, sir.
Oh, what's up, Drew? How you doing, buddy?
Abundantly blessed and strength.
Aha, abundantly blessed. Love it. Where's my chat? What's up, Fayez, Johnster, Doughboy, David again, Drew again, Fayez again, Johnster again, for Miss Priscilla and Ryan. Oh, update colors on it. Yeah, I tried doing that, screwed everything up. Oh God, that was terrible. Cars on ad logos or go over my everyday. Oh, MU every day. Yeah, I gotta add that. I got so much to do. Gotta add that. Couldn't do that. Line 611. Yep. 611 to change the code, and I screwed it up. I don't think it was me though, to be honest with you. Tuxedo, those are appointments. We actually have another appointment today. God dang. Throw that away. I need to get a trash can over here. It's amazing when you move into a house how much shit you think you have that you really don't have. All right. What's up, Bashir? Let's see if we can change this to here. I like how you can flip around cameras. We just got to get more cameras hooked up to this computer. How do you hook up a computer to Zoom wire? How do you a camera to Zoom wirelessly to Zoom? Choose video settings. Oh yeah, that's me. Oh yeah, thing's on. Audio screen share. No. Profile statistics. I guess I'm gonna have to add the computer, the outside camera to my computer and then pull it through Zoom. Does anybody know Zoom? I swear to God. Here I thought Zoom was used by like everybody. I've learned that it's not. Before you click on video settings, you can see the camera options. Before I click on video settings, choose after. Yeah, but I don't see how to, like I don't have, like that one's not even there. Integrative. Yeah, I have 3 cameras, 2 of which are actually active. I want to see, how did I have to add it to my actual one then? Damn, that sucks. Good afternoon, Jason. What's up, buddy? Da 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 da. Da da da. Da 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 da. What's up, peeps, on TikTok and YouTube? Yep, we're definitely live over there. Anybody there? Yep, I see people. What's up, Kenny J? 007. What's up, Grant? Good afternoon. Philio. What's up, Phil? I like the Ecto sound. Yeah, the room is so fucking huge. Oh, here, you guys on YouTube can't see that, can you? What's up, George? George Hyde. Let me close this down. On YouTube, I'm going to flip the camera around. Do, 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 do. So you guys can see that on the VIP group. You guys can't see that on YouTube. Eventually, I'll figure out how to get you guys to see. That's the award wall behind me. 3 $100,000 stores, and then the $2 million stores, and then, of course, our United States of America patent and trademark, the trademark. And then, I have a, there is no way. That ceiling is so fucking, I would get up and walk around, but it's just fucking huge. And I found out the doors are 9-foot doors when they're normally like 6 foot and change or something. I don't know. I'm still learning all this shit. But anyway, yeah, that's why we're echoing. Yes, it is gorgeous, yeah. Thank God for it. I'm glad you noticed the echo. I've done so much. It's move-in ready house, right? Everything's supposedly done. Oh my God, that is just not true. So I had to put up the camera that's out. And speaking of which, let me make sure that's still got a good view. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. There's my devices. There, we'll go live. The beautiful view. Oh my goodness. How can I show you guys? I can't show you guys on VIP the view because it's only on the phone. Fuck. I'll figure it out. Da, 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 da. Let me see. I'll hold this up so you guys can see it. TikTokers and YouTubers. Da, 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 da. I don't know. Zooming in a little bit. Eventually, I'll get it worked out where the little people, where the you'll be able to see this on directly live. Anyway, there's a $38,000 hot tub I didn't know we had. It's not a hot tub, I guess. It's an actual, what do they call it? A swim tub or something? Swim spa or something like that. But anyhow, we didn't know we even, I thought it was just a normal big, but I thought it was a normal hot tub. It's pretty fucking cool. And that's what that is right there, maybe. Right there, right there. There you go. So if you're on TikTok or YouTube, you can see it, but you can't see it if it's not there. But I think it's pretty cool. I'll get it all worked out. Again, I've got more cameras coming. I still haven't got my other computer yet. Jeez, oh pizza. Hey, yeah, the CPAs never got back to me today. Fucking losers. All right, look, I called this out, left you all in it. 100% correct trade. I don't know what more I have to do to get you guys to listen to what I call. But here you go again. What was my SPY call for you guys for entry? And NQ. There was an NQ call for entry too. Sure looks like to me there was a trade executed, which was correct, by the way, too. Look at this shit. Yep. Ding dong, baby. Zoop. Take profit hit. And that is the more, it's a different version of the other version of the Breebot you guys have. It's the one I'm working on for Tommy. So anywho, yeah, this is awesome. All right, so I left you all in. Yeah, all of it's in profit. Oh, let me go back here though. Let's see that 3-minute SPY. Just perfection. All 3-minute call outs this morning and profit. I told you when to get back and to re-enter the trade right when I left. Told you to get in when it was there. It was a 3-minute sell. At the same time, there was a 3-minute buy on all indices. This is perfection when you see this, TikTokers and YouTubers. 6-6 doorways usually. Oh, okay. Kenny J. Yeah, this is, I forgot. It's not the next size up, it's the next size up. It's like these people were giants that built the house. I mean, that ceiling, I said it was like 25 feet. I don't believe that. It's got to be 30. That's got to be 30 feet high. The ceiling. But I don't know, whatever the biggest thing is up there, I guess. I have no idea what they do. Love it. Who loves my precious? Got to cancel restream. I'm really disappointed. They completely restream will never make the right sounds. I can't get it to do more than like an individual. Now look, if the system was not as I described it, as accurate as I described it, then someone explained to me how SQQ, which is a completely opposite, literally coded to be opposite of SPX SPY. So it's coded to be opposite. So when you see over here, for instance, a buy that I tell you is a buy stop and it goes up, and I tell you NQ is a buy stop at the time this morning and it goes up, and I tell you it's a buy this morning on SPX and it goes up, and I tell you it's a buy on ES1 and it goes up, and I told you it was a buy on NAS and it goes up, and at the same time I told you it was a sell on SQQ and it went down. Whenever you have this, I don't care if these are 3-minute time frames, 5-minute, 1 minute, 30 seconds. I don't care if it's a 1 second. I don't care if it's a 1 hour. I don't care if it's a 1 week daily. Whenever you see this exact scenario, when they're all buys, it's highly unusual, but if you get lucky, and all of them are buys and SQs a sell at the same time, it's going to do that in order. 1 second's first, 5 seconds, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10. But it's going to do this in order. 7s if I'm clear in VIP land. I always tell you guys to take pictures, and it's not for my benefit. It's for your benefit. Take the pictures, please. Humor me. Oh, you know what I can do? I forgot. You guys in regular land can see this picture. Oh, but it's not large. Can I enlarge this? No. I don't know why they don't let you. Oh, well, anyway, this is what VIP people see. Ah, fuck. Uh-oh, where did I go? Oh, down there. What the? Let me see if I can make this singular or not. Stop. Ah, shit, now I lost them for real. Where'd everybody go? Or where did I go? Not everybody, everybody's here. Let me do this and see if this brings it back. Yes, okay. Give me just a sec now. And then we need, no, this one? No. Damn, why is Drew the biggest? Nothing against Drew, but what the? Okay, I'm completely confused. Let's redo the share. Yeah, that's the right one. Holy crap, now I lost y'all. There's chat. Good afternoon, God bless, Larry. Well, okay, now I got you. There. Whew, boy, that was just not fun. All right. So anytime there's buys on all indices and then the sell on SQQ to go opposite, it's a win. It's going to go exactly at it. 5 seconds doesn't matter. I love the 5 second, 10 seconds actually, but it doesn't matter. It's the same thing. Wow. That is pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Na, 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 na. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We're up to 12 people in VIP. Nice. What's up, Miss Shalita, Ryan, Miss Priscilla, Miss Liz? Look at the women representing in the afternoon. What is up, Larry and Johnster and Jason and Fayez and Drew and Doughboy and David? I'm beginning to see a lot of you being the regulars. And my view is the regulars are going to be the one to retire. That's my view. The more you can attend these things, the better. What's up, Grant? Yeah, I can hear the echo now too. That's funny. What's up, Grant? It's crazy how big this thing is. Excuse me. Sweet. Cute stuff. Gotta love it. Can't believe I never heard back from the CPAs. God dang, fuck. I'm gonna have to call them. We got to get our drive. We have to get the business license. Local city, I guess. I don't know if we need one being online. I'm guessing we do. And then I got a couple of inquiries. 3 of them, I thought. 2 for sure. I know I did 2, but I think it was 3 at the end. I did that last one. Anywho, 2 or 3 of them to the CPAs asking them to call. No one ever called. Yay, what the fuck ever. I love this outdoor cam. It seems to work without internet, and I don't know how it does it. It's pretty fucking cool, though. No, I don't want to jinx it. What did I do? I jinxed it. Ah, I jinxed it. Oh, shit. Ah. What'd I do? Oh, I must have blew it up. Let me see. It's been working all day. Oh, I might not have gone out of the app good enough. Yeah, I can't connect. Fuck. Oh, shit. Did I change the password and stuff? I tried to change the password. Oh, man. That ain't good. I'll look at it later. Cancel restream. We need to cancel something else. What was the other thing? Oh, cancel restream. Cancel Starlink. We have fiber optic out here. I'm going to wait to make sure that it's, stable, but it just reeks stable out here. So, but working on the Breebot code to give to Tommy, the order of operations. Talked to Tommy today. Thought we got a couple of things straightened out, but alas, we did not. We surely did not get it straightened out. Oh, Lord, I didn't fuck it up for everybody, I hope. Those of you that have the access to the latest version of the Breebot, do you see it? With a different color at the top than the green right here? Instead of the blue, I mean. Do you see up here where it's a different color, perhaps red, or no? Because I sure hope to God we didn't take it away from you. No. You do not see that. Okay, good. Because we're not publishing it, we're making edits and updating it on our charts locally. So as long as it's not affecting you guys, I'm okay to do that. I don't care. Okay. Yeah, you guys got changes coming to it, but right now is not the time. And I don't know why mine aren't even pulling in on either of them. I didn't change it on the other one though. What the? Next time Tommy gets on the phone, I'm gonna have to stay on the phone. That was bad. I should have stayed on the phone. Yeah. Well, anyhow. Dot 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 doot dot Breebot code. What's this one over here? God, I got so much to do. All right, let's take this off. Nice. Lulu. Oh, we got to check a couple options really quick, and I'll get into whatever you guys want to get into. William said I'll send in a check. Thank you, sir. Oh, no, don't want that. What am I doing? We need this. All right. Let's see. I'm not sure what my options are today, but let's take a look. HPQ. We have an HPQ. Oh, shoot. Is that the one I took yesterday? Hold on. Yes. We're down 11% on HPQ, so let's go look at HPQ. No, I don't want to do the robot today. No. Yeah, we can do here. HPQ. Doop. All right. Everybody in VIP land, get used to reading this fast. Is it going up or down? If it's not clear, say not clear. If it is something clear, tell me if it's going up or down and to where. Going down to the 1 minute FAS. What's the best pullback percentage for NAS 5 minutes and 1 minute chart? That's what you're figuring out, FAS. Good question. Down to the 1 minute. Yes. Sell HPQ to the 1 minute, 24.53. Then we look up above it and we see green. Green looks like it's going from green 4 hour to the daily. Does everyone see that? Yes or no? Where you see the actual, this rifle tells you what's happening. You want to know if it's going up or down fast? No, I don't particularly. 30 seconds with the stock is okay. 1 second, 5 second tech are just too fast. I don't even care about them. But anyway, a little sell going, and it's creating these buys to the daily blue line. Wow. So let's see where we're at way up here. Let's go up to that 10 hour. Well, let's do the 5 hour. Already there, 10 hour. Hold on. Why is that looking? Oh, I see it. It already had gone up and touched the 10 hour. Son of a. When did it do that? And that's probably why we were up like 24%. Well, we hit the 10 hour. Fuck. Oh boy. Damn. I don't know if we're going to get in time. I didn't see that it hit the 10 hour. Shit. All right. Well, we're going to hold it until about 26.50. Can we get it to be done in the 17? Yeah, we can. All right. Not too worried about HP long call that we did yesterday. I know we were in the money for quite a few of those time periods, so we were good on that one. But no, we need to see the other one. The other one was Lululemon, minus 13%. So let's check Lululemon really quick. Lulu's in a hard pull down. I can guarantee you this shit's all red. But we don't care. We're looking for a shorter term buy. That's what I'm doing these options for. All right, Lululemon, same thing. What's it reading? You don't know how important. If someone could have said, oh, I have a rifle, it's going to tell you if it's moving up or down into where. Oh, and then it goes into the higher time frames telling you is it moving up or down into where. I would be thrilled. I'd be like, just sign me up. All right, what is this right here? It's an interesting little conundrum is what that is. Looks like we're selling to the 45-second sell. No, way past that. 1 minute buy, that's correct. So it's a little different right here. it pulled down, creating this buy stop to the 1 minute. Buy Lululemon to the 1 minute, $118.44. Then you look up here, it's telling you. I don't know where I'm still. Let me write that down. I swear. I don't write it down with Tommy. All right, Tommy, we need to change, update the rifle to BS up green from ST blue. Okay. All right, so we'll update that for everybody. But at any rate, this is a buy stop to the blue line for the 1 minute. I'm calling it. It's accurate. Then you come over to here, a little messy, some kind of 5-minute sell going on, then another buy, then another buy. Messy. So I'm going to go up here, somewhere between here and here. And I know that's what we were looking at yesterday, so let's take a look again. If someone can please tell me when these things get into profit. All right, 1 hour buy. 130. What's my strike? 120. Oh. Please say the 2 hours confirming this. It is. Logo buy. Okay. Yeah, anyone, it's not too late to get into Lululemon if you want to do a shorter, medium-ish, shorter, kind of like a swing trade, I guess. 2 hour buy. Love the 2 hour buy. Yeah, I'm going to call Lululemon to 140.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Boopity doop boop. Boop boop. Okay, really, I don't even know what the hell, what is just shipped? Door shop, 2 back wall sconce. What? Okay, I've been buying so much shit, I don't even know what the hell I got. I swear, I really don't. It's funny because I have no clue. All right. It does show the BS green sometimes. It's a different one. Yeah, not here. I don't believe you'll see that here. Maybe if it does the BS green to the blue line. No, because this is to the blue line. I'll figure it out. We'll get it, though. Tommy will get it. Changing this stuff is easy for him. Super easy. For me, I screw it up. Good afternoon, El Flacco. What's up, buddy? We just reviewed 2 options that we taken out the other day. Both are just fine. I'm not worried about either. Lulu's better on the out of the 2 we just reviewed, though. 12 people. Oh, good. Sweet. Let's go back together sometime, baby. Someone, sometime. Uh-oh, I just noticed something. Oh no. Oh no. Of course, baby. Okay, I'm better. Yeah, I'm such a needy person. Okay. Can you take a look at Nike? Absolutely. We love Nike. You have tons of time on Nike. There is no rush on Nike, trust me. Tons of time. Tell me, everybody. Peepity weepities. Are we going up, down, or can we not tell? Oh, it's a little messy. A little buy to the 10-second. Some buys to the 1 minute. Some sells. Yeah, that's a bit messy. I don't like that at all. Let's see, up here to sell, and there's a 1 hour. Let's see what that 1 hour is about. Oh, gorgeous. 1 hour buy to the blue line, 2 hour buy to the blue line. Can't support the 3 hour. 2 hour buy Nike to the blue line, $49.52 on a buy. Let me see that 5 hour. No. It's going to take forever. 10 hour. Jeez. Daily. You got a long time to wait. We're in no rush on Nike. If you want to get some options, get them long term, look out deep, meaning over a year out. You have plenty of time on Nike. There's no need to rush this trade. It might even turn into a 6-month buy, but I don't think so. I think we're going to hold. 3 months, 6-month buy stop. Yeah, and a 12 months too. No, Nike is setting up for an epic turn up. Epic. It's going to go up, up, up. Yeah, we'll be making shit tons of money on the way. I'm buying shares of Nike, dollar cost averaging in the whole time. Every week, I don't even care. Matter of fact, yeah, it is every week in public. Just a little bit, but I'll just keep buying it. Why not? Cheap as fuck. Can't wait until Nike flips. Right. And of course, we know when Nike flips because you want to take any buy stop below daily until that blue line is hit, right? So I keep telling you guys, you can take 10-second, 15-second, 30-second buys. Eventually, you're going to click the one that doesn't get tapped out and it runs all the way up to the daily. Holy shit. When you see that happen, you guys are going to be some happy-ass people. That'd be like at least 80. And that's just getting started. Let me be clear on Nike. Nike is a call, so the 80 is in nothing. 100, 120, and I can see Nike going to 170, but I do love the Nike 120.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Can I look? Can I look? Can I look? Of course we can. Now you guys are waking up over there, Jason and Johnster and David. We have XE. Is that Xerox? Let's go over to XE next. Oh, that is not. Who is this? X Energy? What the fuck is that? XE, huh? That's what it is. All right, whatever this is. Someone tell me in the VIP group. Think quickly. Is this going up, down? We don't know, can't tell. Shit. Okay, it's already shitty. Why doesn't it have a 1 hour? That's terrible. And that's another thing it'll take you out. Do you even want to trade this thing? Well, I ain't trading nothing. I ain't got no 1 hour blue line on it. What the? There. No. Yeah. No. Sell, sell, sell. There's nothing to call an XE. What did you want me to look at with XE? It's horrid. I was thinking, oh, you want me to look at the higher time frames? Fair enough. Let me go up here and look. Oh, we can't read it. No, no, no. I can't read this chart. There's literally nothing here. 3 month, 6 month, 12 month, 3 week, weekly day. There's nothing. I don't know if this is too new or something. I don't know. I can't read this. And it doesn't look good anyways if I was reading it. So I'm going to pass on that one, Johnster. No call.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Crash. 20 minutes in this video is your Epic XAU USD called. I tried to identify how you knew the 15-second buy stop would hit the 3-minute blue line every night. Boy, you're just out of control, aren't you there? Little Crash. Sid, I believe is his actual name. 22 minutes into that video is your Epic gold call. Why are you worried? Usually I just read ahead on the higher time frames. The 15 seconds are okay. I do those for entertainment purposes, basically. Chalk Zero, sea salt karma. If you guys never tried Chalk Zero, it's as good as, it's probably, let me rephrase that, it's better than anything you can buy that's shitty for you, and at least Chalk Zero has no carbs, no sugars. Usually they're using monk fruit these days for sweetener. Sure, Johnson, you're welcome. IBM's been fucking around forever. I've read it, but it's been a very long time. Again, everybody look up here, focus here. Can I make this screen large? Yeah, what the hell, you can. Oh, look how cute that is, why not? All right. Now this is a stock, do we really care about those? Remember, I'm teaching you how to think, not just giving you call outs. You have to learn how to look at things. With a stock like IBM or any stock, I don't care on the sells on the 15 seconds and below. I just don't, or the buys. It doesn't matter. It's hooking up, great. When it gets past the 15, maybe to the, sure, perfect. 1 minute, absolutely. 3. For stocks, you want these higher ones. 7s, if you guys understand that. Looking at the 3-week, will do. Yep, up to the 15-second. Good call, Johnster. Then we have a sells. We have to honor the sells. Sell, 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 sell. Somewhere between the 1 hour and 4 hour, there's something funky. So let's take a look at that. Oop, 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 shit, shit, shit. Hold on. Let's try that again. Let's go to the actual here, and let's go over to there now. Oh, it's been hit hard. Something happened here. It's getting smushed. 3 hour, 4 hour buy. It is 4 hour buy to the blue line. Now, it's calling out a 4 hour buy. Yeah, see, look. Keith is calling out a 4 hour buy for us beyond the gray. Thank you, Keith Palmer, the great Keith Palmer. It dipped down super hard. Is the blue line low enough for the buy stop? But it's too low to be our thing, and it's red. So this can't be our fill in the gap. We have to look upwards for the fill in the gap. Is the blue line low enough for this? Yes or no? Up to the 15-second. Correct, Grant. It's your video called must. Well, that's why you need to watch it, Crash. Absolutely. Keep watching it. No, it is not. So we fully expect this either in 1 hour and 13 minutes when this expires to be the complete where the blue line will come down to the blue line. Maybe this is low enough, or it needs to come down further. Right? Those are our options. So if we go up a little bit higher, I love the 5 hour, 10 hours. We're going to go this to 5 hour. Same thing, exactly. Let's go to the 10 hour and see what that looks like. It's hooking. Yeah, that might be too far. Better. Daily. Okay. Now, let's zoom in on our chart. Let's go all the way back. Holy shit. Who is this? This is IBM? Well, okay, I don't know if IBM ever goes down. Look at this shit. Okay, this is a downward little slide, a lot of red. Okay, so from that point forward, let me go here. Now, when you look at my system, at the way to trade that actually makes sense and is logical and actually works, look. Do you see more green here and here and here, or red? What do you see predominantly? Oh, don't look at my arrows, hold on. Do you see more green on this screen or red? That's as simple as I can make it. Is it more green here, 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 or red? Is there more green here, here? Green. What does green mean in our system, guys? Up. What did the stock do? Up. There are so many trades to be had here that you could have done. So when this is coming up from here, we're going to go past the blue line right here. Since 2023, IBM has gone straight up. So this dip right now, you can see how it turned. Yes, Ms. Cameron. Yes, I sure am, absolutely. You just tell whoever's ready, come on out. Yes, I'll be here. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. Do. Yay, we have someone coming to fix a little issue in our move-in ready house. So if green means up, and we have a lot of green, it went up. Now, we can see the red fill in the gap trade, but looky here, VIPers, pay attention to what I teach. This is now turning to green. So the very first thing we need to see is a fill in the gap trade. So we need something to occur. Think this through logically. It just turned, see, over here it was red, turned to green, did a fill in the gap trade, up she went. Over here it was red, it just turned to green. We need this to do something. Do we need, like it's doing, right? Do we need price action to come down to form this fill in the gap trade? Yes or no? Quit bringing that up, Crash. I don't want to have to ban you from here, even though I should. Please don't keep bringing that up. If I get to it or we look at it again, I might. Otherwise, just don't do that. I answered your question multiple times. If I get to it, I get to it. If I don't, I don't. That's just the way it is. Dustin, yay. Okay, so we need price action to go down. Do we ever do a buy? Well, on a fast one, I can override that. Do we ever do a buy on a higher time frame? Well, even on the fast time frames. Do we ever do a buy when pink, purple, blue are high? Yes or no?
No.
Thank you, Drew. No, says John Stern Fayez. So we don't look for this to go up right now, right? So let's go back to that 5 hour again. See? Green went up, there's your buy stop, green, boom, up, purple, pink, purple, low, blah, blah, blah. It's coming down, interesting. Well, 10 hour. Oh, look, blue line coming down. See, it's trying to form the fill in the gap now for the 10 hour, 12 hour daily. It's doing it. Is that there? Yeah, it's gonna do that. It's gonna hook, come down, you're gonna see the fill in the gap form, meaning watch. It's going to look, I don't wanna use yellow, I don't wanna confuse anybody. How about orange? You're going to see this right here. This will hook. The blue will stay strong. Purple will come, hopefully, and join it. Then they'll hook and come back up. Price action will do the same. See, it's down here. It's going to hook and come back up. So this is what you're going to do. So now everybody who asked for the IBM, I forgot who that was, whoever asked for IBM, you all know what to wait for now. Why would you do the sell? Well, it's already down. That's just stupid. Don't do it. But then what would you look for after this? The fill in the gap trade. So wait for it to come all the way down. Wait for it to form its little erect nipple, but whatever you want to call it. And then a half moon. And then headlight trading, whatever you want to call it. And then when it does that, we'll look for the entry on a daily buy. But let's keep looking upward. Weekly, same thing. So in other words, look, the blue line isn't up on the weekly, is it? So this is a weekly buy, green, 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 red, buy stop. They pulled it down against the weekly buy. That's an incongruency. This is showing us exactly that this is incorrect, this movement down. Pink, purple already up high, blue is rising. When this blue rises, you're going to get price action to come up with it. But this isn't the higher time frame to look for this buy. We have to go up even higher and look for the blue line to be up here. So let's take a look from weekly to 3 weekly. See? Perfect. Blue line high, pink came down. First fill in the gap, it went up. Over and over, I teach the same thing. Well, what is this? Look at it. This is a fill in the gap trade. It's not the first one. It's not even the second, but it's coming in around that third or fourth. Pink, purple, low now, perfect. So now we have confirmation of a 3-week weekly buy. We know the daily has to come down. The 5 hour, 10 hour has to come down, right? So the daily's still not done. The weekly, because the day, remember what we're looking for, this fill in the gap trade to form on the daily so that we can enter in on the 3 weekly pink, purple line low. Now, if that's all too confusing for you, put a buy in right here at $248 and wait. There you go. I'm giving that to the regular people too now. Take that one. That's all. And then when it gets up to $285, sell it. Simple as that. How about that? And if you really want to leave a runner going, it'll go past 330. That's my call.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Oh, look at the 3 months. Whenever you peep, okay, guys. Jesus. Oh my goodness. Whenever the 3-month pink line is low, just take it. Now the 3-month line isn't low now, but it's getting down there again. Let's see the 6-month, please. That's too high. 12 months. Oh. See, look, if you guys would just use 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, when this is low, look at that 12-month low. It's every time. How many times do you guys have to see something before you believe it? 3 billion? Look at that. There's your pink line low, 12-month. Boom, fill in the gap trade. Boom, there it is. Went from here to there. It's coming back down again against that movement up, but it kind of needed to, as I explained to you on the daily. It can't do the fill in the gap trade off the daily where it is now. It has to come down a little more. I fully suspect it to come down to about 194.84. Yeah, give or take $5. And then it will flip, hook, come back up again, and start into our daily buy. So this actually is a very good trade. It's just a little early to enter. I think you're going to see more of a dip. Now, if you wanted to do an option, a very, very long-term option, and I'm positive IBM has great options. They must have an unbelievable liquidity. They must have a shit ton of people trading IBM, a shit ton. Now, should you have gotten it down here if you had the system at 130? Absolutely. Could you have tripled your money? Absolutely, with IBM, just like we did with Intel, and we got MU, one of our other ones, MU. We called that at 84. We made 10, 12 times our money on MU. I can't watch IBM to know back here when it happened, but that's what it was. Look how many years that went up for. Look how many years. Let's just say if you even right here. 2023, 2 years it went up. Damn. So IBM, thank you bringing that to our attention, whoever brought that to our attention. Thanks, Kevin. I started a very small. That's you, David. Thank you, David. I would that's what I would do if I were you guys. This dollar cost average, and it's a little pricey for a lot of people in our group. Not everybody, but it's a little pricey where it's at. If you buy a few as it's coming down, I can see it coming down, like I said, 208, 195, somewhere in that range. And the reason why I picked that, so everybody in VIP land can know, is look. Our logo starts here red, right? Boom. Comes over, hooks, comes up, has to form it here too. So we're looking at the 3-month. This 3-month is almost low enough, believe it or not, to be used. Because we start looking for the buys at 90%, I think Keith coded in that. So it's almost there, it really is. Not quite though. So this is going to hook, fill in the, meaning this right here is going to fill in the gap. You're going to have this yellow line above it like this. Price action is going to come down. See this yellow line that loves the skip off the yellow line, so it's going to come down to about there. And sometimes if you get really blessed, it'll hook down into the channel. And I love the channel trades. I used to have it in the rules. I think I took it out. But when it bops into here, then it'll go boop, 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 back up, and it'll go past its previous high. It'll go past the orange line. My favorite right here, my favorite is this orange line. Is this orange line, take profit. So even if you're not sure on what to do now, option, don't do it. You can get an option. You can go look at one. Might not be a bad one to do. Or you just say, okay, IBM's going back to 250. I don't care if it goes down to 180. Okay, true story. Then it's going to go to over 300, and that is IBM.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Did that make any kind of sense for anybody? Oh, I don't have my video going. Did that make any kind of sense for anybody? And sorry about that. Makes sense to you, David? Did it make sense to VIPers? Does it make sense to you on TikTok and YouTube? Yes or no? No answer on YouTube. They might be delayed. VIPers, yes, yes, yes. 7s, Jason. Good. Okay. Need change. Oh, yeah, I did that already. Carson's going to add the logo. We're going to try to update our shirts logo to the new logo. can have it so you can't see the patch on here too. It needs to be a GIF. I don't know what they uploaded. Or is that PNG? Which one doesn't have the background? PNG, I think, my bad. Makes sense, yes, says Crash. Good. All right, so Crash got it. Everybody's got it. Next. What's up, Logan Selman? Who's new in VIP here? Is this anyone's first time? Please always tell us when it's your first time or not. I don't remember Logan. Well, welcome. I fully suspect someone's going to be calling here in any minute to get in. I think this is the plumbing guy. Shit, not really sure on that one. I'll just show him what to do. It's no big deal. Matter of fact, let me get up real quick. I'm going to open up the garage. Oh, I have the garage door opener open there too. Hold on. Doot. Brought the trash out for the first time, but nothing makes you feel like a homeowner than when you start bringing your trash out. It's like, yeah, must own this house. I love we did do that in Verbos too, I guess. But anyway, cool. All right, so that's opened up for him when he comes. Hey, Kev, I've been in a couple weeks. Happy to be learning from you, sir. Oh, I'm sorry, Logan. My bad. I hope I welcomed you when you first got here. Have you been learning a few things? And you can talk, by the way. I don't care. You guys can talk anytime you want. Only during the mornings when I'm doing the call outs, like when I'm trying to make the correct call for everybody, that's when I really don't like talking going on in the VIP group. But any other time, you guys can talk in the VIP. It's one of the benefits. Talk all you want. It is. Yeah, yes. Praying it goes well. Sorry, I just moved that. All right. I think I'm going to stay on when he gets here. TikTokers and VIPers and YouTubers, I'll stay on. It might be a minute or two, and then I'll come back. Yes, been learning a ton. Do you believe VIP is, okay, everybody in VIP that's here right now that can answer, do you believe VIP has been worth your time and your money? Yes or no? And the stuff I teach is so invaluable. 1,000%, 10,000, yeah, I agree with that answer, 100,000%, yes. Okay, good. Just want to make sure. Hopefully you guys are all learning, thank you, Miss Liz, Johnster, Jason, David. Okay, is there anyone here that thinks the VIP has not been worthwhile? If it is, you better have a fucking good reason of why you think that. Because I will take offense to that every time. You better think that this is worth your while, trust me. Uh-oh. Oh, that might have been the wind. Vegas is windy. The one thing with Vegas, it's not windy right now, but there's days when Vegas is super windy. Did you guys see by the way, did you guys see the staircase? Oh, I can't show you. How can I show them on, let me see here, hold on. Switch cameras, HD. I don't even know if I can swing it over enough to show you the case. It's so pretty though. Oh my goodness, it's just beautiful. I guess I'm gonna leave the camera right there for you guys. Yeah, when I get up, well, maybe not. Let me move it back. I'll turn it off when he gets there. All right. Yeah, okay, let's go back here then. Boop. can't believe I fucked the thing up. Well, actually, kind of ish. It wasn't necessarily me on this one, but damn it. I can't see my thing even on this. But this one wasn't even updated. I don't understand the change. When all we did was update it on the chart, but we didn't update the indicator for everybody. It's not published. So I don't know why it's doing that. Like on my other chart, I had an unused one open, but yet it can't pull it through still. Damn God, that sucks ass. This doesn't though. All right, let's take a look. What's forming right now, everybody? Let's go to the 5 minute. What do you guys see on your screen? TikTokers, YouTubers, VIPers. It was a 3 minute. Let me swing over here to the 5 minutes. See if it's, yeah. This is fantastic. All right, give me a sec. I'll be right back. All right, everybody, just chill here. I don't even know if you can hear it. That'll annoy you guys.
What you talk about? News, you make me laugh. We got it covered. Red fold, yellow folder, don't matter. Let's go, it's over. Fake traders did this, chance game over. It's over, it's over. You can never take from me what I mean today. I was forged in the dark. You fake traders better run from the bark in a palm. Boy, go take it, trend lines and it shoulder patterns. Keep up and lashes, you make me laugh. You give my brother before the always don't work. Come to the winning side, baby. Save the trade system. Yo, tell them. Yo, I trade anyone toe to toe. Let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Get SPX, you go and start it low. You haven't got the block, you haven't got the sniper, you haven't got the safety trade system. All you traders out there, step up, line up. I got my sniper locked and loaded. Night out, one, what's your emergency? Fake traders on the floor, pips, bleeding out everywhere you
All right, I'm back.
sending you back to your market maker. What you talking
Ah.
about? You make me laugh.
You make me laugh. Don't make me laugh. Yay, I'm so glad this guy showed up like 5 hours early. That would never happen. Dustin is here. Checking it out now. Yes. So early. That's awesome, getting here like 4 hours early. Yay. VIP is priceless. It's a direct line of communication in the Michael Jordan trading. Now, I agree with that one, Crash. Well, I don't know about the Michael Jordan trading, but I agree with the other. Now, if this is forming, I just taught you guys this right now, today, earlier. Fill in the gap, buy, stop, logo, buy, stop. Fill in the gap, 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 sell, stop. Fill in the gap, buy, stop. When we have all the indices that are supposed to be going up, moving together, and we have the sell for SQ forming, what do you think's going to happen, guys? I did this exact same trade this morning with 3 minutes. What do you think's happening now? Hello? What do you think? Do you think perhaps all the indices are going to go up on a 5 minute buy? And do you think SQQ is going to come down on a 5 minute sell? It not only can, it has to do it. There is no other choice. How many times do I have to explain to you, oh, this is your logo trade forming? Oh, by the way, in case somebody was wondering, our Roadrunner named, I haven't named the Hummingbird, but a Roadrunner named George came back again this morning. It was so cute. He's so tiny. I thought, he only was like a foot maybe big, 1.5 foot maybe. I thought Roadrunners were like Wile E. Coyote and all those guys. No, they're not like 5 foot tall or anything. So yes, all the indices are going to go up. SQQ is going to go down. And there it is. As simple as that. Can we say once 30 seconds blue line is hit, then it will go all up using Nash chart? No, that's not what we say at all. Did you get a picture of him? Yes, we have pictures of him. I have video of him. He's so fast. Like they're just, I don't see him running, but they walk, but their little feet are so fast. They just move like lightning. I guess why they're called Roadrunners. I don't know. Recently saved, let's see. Oh, you can't really see him. He's right in between the bushes, right there. He's right in, see him? That's him moving. He's a cute little fella. But he's come back multiple days now. I think we're 3 days now. Can you see? I don't know if you can see that. No, not that one. This one. Okay. Let me see if I got it. I got some pictures too. Hold on. Oh, I might have took the pictures through thing. I sent them to Breathe through. They don't always save to your camera roll. A little Roadrunner. Huh. This is our little hamster fella. Gosh, is he the cutest thing ever? Cookie's his name. Can you see that one? There. You can see. He is so tiny. Well, we made him so fat now. This little fella right here. Where are we at? Oop, no, right there. Can you guys see him on TikTok and YouTube? Oop, I gotta get that one over there. Oh, come on. There we go. Look at that little hamster. Mini dwarf hamster. He's about as big as like a puffy cotton ball. He's so, I don't even know how their like organs work. They're so tiny. Cutest little things. Oh, cool. Nice one. Oh, yeah, I know. You guys are like, this guy trades and he does all this and he tells us, yeah, here you go. Watch, I'm going to go from the hamster and the Roadrunner. Sell 5-minute SQQ to 38.31. Buy NAS to 29,600 and can't read it. Come on, really? 29,646.84. Buy SPY to 752.23. I love that buy, by the way, for Kevin Norris and Mike Lattimore and anyone else that loves SPY. Beautiful. I called out the earlier one this morning 100% correctly, and this will be my next call for you guys. Also 5-minute buy SPY. Guess what? Also a 5-minute buy to, can't see it, hold on, to 29,858 for NQ1. Also a buy for SPX. Also a buy to the orange line for ES1. I called these exact same trades. Remember in the morning at open, I said 3-minute, and you guys were, I didn't really move, and I told you to re-enter on all the indices, especially SPY, NQ, and NAS specifically, and it went up. Just like this is exactly the time period when I did it, and that's what it did. And then now it's going to come down like it is. It's going to hook and come back up again, and we have SQQ to confirm it for us. Okay, so remember,
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I may not be a financial advisor, but I don't want to be either. Safety trade. Da, 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 da. I forgot I had this hat on. I'm answering the door with my work shirt and my work shirt. It's a t-shirt. Oh my God. I went to a Catholic school and had to wear a shirt and tie. I learned how to tie a tie, I think it was in like the 4th grade or 3rd grade. I hate ties, hate suits, can't stand watches, none of that shit. And I don't even care. I don't wear a Rolex. I will not buy a Rolex. I don't wear a Rolex. I don't want a Rolex. I don't want any watch ever for a fucking million years. You didn't have to wear one back then, but you kind of did. And then the ties, you had to wear a tie. I hate fucking ties. You can keep that shit for the rest of your life. I ain't doing it. Love the SPY buy. This is just gorgeous. They're all great. They're all great. This is just, see, look. Remember, you want to enter the trade pink, purple, low, blue, high when the fill in the gap. You want to be the blue high when it's the fill in the gap logo trade. So again, this one's going to go up. 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 This one is going to go down. And how do we know my system works? Because SQQ is programmed to go down. Totally against the indices. Specifically, I do believe that's SPX. Right? But we don't, this shows you that the buys happen and go up. You can't doubt the system anymore. There's your sells going down at the same time the buys went up. Fuck all you doubters. Fuck any haters. You're all wrong. You're all losers, and you all need to wake up to reality. The system is flawless. The system works beautifully and gorgeously. It did this morning. It did for the last 2,500 videos I did. Buy, 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 buy. All went up at the same time the sell hit. Well, it's doing it again. This time it's a fill in the gap trade on these if it holds. Nope. It already fell. Wait, let me see. It's holding there. NQ and NAS. Let me go up a little bit higher. Let me see what this looks like. I want one that they're all just holding strong on. 7 minute looks good. Can we go to 10 or is that too far? 10, 10's fine. Not enough of a dip yet. See, that's what you got to worry about. I would stay on those faster ones and enter. When this pull up happens, and it's going to happen maybe during the live while we're here, you'll see these come up, you'll see that come down. It's just as simple as that. And then we'll all be in the money. Yay. System is unbelievable. Just amazing. Watches are now an accessory. Right, that's all they are. They're a status symbol. What was it? Club Shay Shay Club, what's his name? I never liked Shannon Sharp, but he grew on me with Skip Bayless. And when Shannon Sharp, he goes, I wear a watch for a different reason. You guys wear a watch. And basically he was saying he wears a watch to show that he's rich. He wears the Rolexes and all those shitty little watches to show that he's rich. I don't wear the watches because I think it's dumb as fuck to do. I'm not going to show people I'm rich by wearing a watch. I don't want to wear a watch. I don't want to know what fucking time it is and where I have to be. And fuck that. I'm retired. I do what I want to do when I want to do it. Hell, sometimes I don't even remember the month we're in. I swear to God. I'm like, it's 6 o'clock this morning. I'm looking at the thing and I'm trying to write down the date. I go, oh, it's the 16th. No, it's the 14th. Oh, it's August the 14th. Oh, no, it's July. Kind of funny. Oh, yeah, that reminds me. I gotta ask questions about Basil's birthday. Do. And I can't believe CPA. See how unprofessional? That annoys me. That 3 people were contacted. They didn't contact me today, fuckers. Damn, got it. All right. So any questions on what's going to happen? Just like I told you, be prepared. Buys for all our regular indices, sells for the SQQ, 5 minute. I'm telling you, matter of factly, screw this shit. I'm going into the Discord room. Don't have to beat the clock, correct. I don't give a fuck about the clock. I don't even want to know about the clock. All right, where's my room at? I'm making an official call. And that is not where I want to be in, not that room. There we go. Uh-oh. All right, I'll be right there. Be right back, guys. Don't make me, yeah, I'm gonna put the music again. It's over. Yes, sir.
You can never take from me what I'm in today. I was born in the dark, you fake. Traders better run from the bark in a palm. Boy, you take it, trend lines, and it show the patterns. Keep up and nasty, you make me laugh. You give my buck up off the floor the whole way. Don't work, come to the winning side, baby. Save the trade system. Yo, tell them. Yo, I'll trade anyone toe to toe. Let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Get SP, and you go and start it low. You haven't got the block, you haven't got the sniper, you haven't got the safety trade system. All you traders out there, step up, line up. I got my sniper locked and loaded. 9 out 1, what's your emergency? Fake traders on the floor, pips bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called, I'm sending you back to your market maker. What you talk about? News, you make me laugh. We got it covered, red fold, yellow folder, don't matter. Let's go, it's over. Fake traders did this, stand a chance. Game over, it's over, it's over. You can never take from me what I'm in today. I was forged in the dark, you fake traders better run from the bark in a palm. Boy, you take it, trend lines, and it show the patterns. Keep up and nasty, you make me laugh. You give my buck up off the floor the whole way. Don't work, come to the winning side, baby. Save the trade system. Yo, tell them. Yo, I'll trade anyone toe to toe. Let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Get SP, and you go and start it low. You haven't got the block, you haven't got the sniper, you haven't got the safety trade system. All you traders out there, step up, line up. I got my sniper locked and loaded. 9 out 1, what's your emergency? Fake traders on the floor, pips bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called, I'm sending you back to your market maker. What you talk about? News, you make me laugh. We got it covered, red fold, yellow folder, don't matter. Let's go, it's over. Fake traders did this, stand a chance. Game over, it's over, it's over. You can never take from me what I'm in today. I was forged in the dark, you fake traders better run from the bark in a palm. Boy, you take it, trend lines, and it show the patterns. Keep up and nasty, you make me laugh. You give my buck up off the floor the whole way. Don't work, come to the winning side, baby. Save the trade system.
Okay. All right, I'm back. I'm back. All right, I'm back. Let me get my thing. All right, don't have to be correct. We were over here. Please check the Kev's Personal Demo Trading Room VIPers for a specific call out. It's already gone up. As we speak, you're in the, oh my gosh. There's your sell. Was there any lag on this? There's your buy going up. Looks like NQ is a little behind. Looks like NQ is a little behind. You're in the money on ES1, SPX, SQQ. We're definitely not, NQ is behind. I don't see this rising as high yet. NQ, buy to the orange line. They're all going to go. Matter of fact, you hit take profit on SPY. I told you take profit on SPY. You're at take profit on SPY. You're on take profit on S. This was done live. Okay, doubters. If you want a system that works, that's easier to use, is color coded. Look, take profit orange line hit. Number one, I just did this trade with you guys. Literally, I wasn't even in the building. Take profit hit on SPX, orange line hit. Take profit hit on on SPY, SPY hit. You still have time for NAS to go up to the orange line. You still have time for NQ to go up to the orange line. I mean, made money quick. God bless this. Amen. God bless you too, Larry. Look at that. Sell. You still have time on the sell. I'm not going to recommend it, but you can clearly see it's not to the orange line. The green dotted line isn't to this orange line. It's going to go down there. The green dotted line isn't to the orange line. It's going to go up there. It's going to go from here to there. I'd like to know anyone else that's trading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so 2 more YM1 and US 30, 8 symbols at once in being correct on all the calls every day. Go ahead. Go ahead. This literally is happening before your eyes. Literally, I wrote it out in our room. I made it official. You can't get around this one. This is absolutely official. Right here. Official call. And by the way, we're going to have to write this down. In the money on ES1, SPX, SPY, and us. You still have time for NAS and Q1 and SQQ to be specific. So there you go. Exactly told you where to go, when to get in, everything else. We're out to call. Oh, how cool is that? Who is that guy? Plumber. Does everybody understand what I was just saying? Okay. Yes. Okay. Anyone else can barely call one some? Yeah, I don't even know if they can do that. Kevin, HPQ strike you called yesterday, it hit 130%. Oh, whoa, we're in the money on that again? Shit. Hold on. Where? HPQ long call. Where's it at? HPQ. No, we're not in the money. The HPQ July 17th, 25 straight hit 130%. Not now before. Oh, yes. It hit 130. I know, some bitch. I missed it. I missed the 130%. I swear to God. And I'm supposed to trade with you people. I don't know. HPQ. So it hit, thank you for letting me know that, but I missed the whole, when it went up to there. I saw it, did it afterwards, but I didn't catch it when it did it. Whatever. Fuck. I had 3 of those too. Let me make sure. 25s. Damn. Well, I'm glad you all made money on it. Wish I would have joined you on that one. 25 July 17th. Expiry was up 130%. It'll do it again, but it's a shame that I missed that movement up. No, well, can't be everywhere at once. All right, so those are those. Good. Thank you, David, for letting me know. Okay. Yay, is this fun? We get to have, oh, pull back. This is perfect. All right. Now, we have the pullback down. You can look for re-entry on NQ1 and NAS. This is perfect. Oh my goodness. They pulled this down against a up. Okay. Let me explain something to you guys. Let me not get too excited here. We're going to look at this up close and personal. Now, that's not a good one. We hit profit on that. Let me go to a different one. Let me go to NAS real quick. Here's NQ. Okay, got it. All right. Now, this is what they did. We have, oh, it's not as good as the other one. Pink, blue, purple just crossed. We're catch 22 because this turned into a 5-minute buy. You can see the red right there, maybe. Let me make that a little bigger for you. There. Green, 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 red. This is the fish. This is you're looking at the buy. They still pulled this down against the movement up. So this is a perfect time for you to look to get in, to re-enter. Let me go over to SPY again. I keep going back and forth. I'm trying to get you all. Well, I do like this one. I would re-enter. Let me go NAS. Let me do NAS. I'll go in between SPY and SPX and thing. All right. I would re-enter by 29,613. I would sell at 29,649. Or leave a runner open to go past that because it's going to go past 29,686. So what they did was they pulled this down. This is great. What idiots. They think we're dumb. See, the blue line wasn't even up high enough anyways at that point, but we're getting close. Absolutely what I just re-enter. Any buys you can find on those, specifically where I told you to look for re-entry. 7, well, do I want to? That's so little. Damn, is that enough for them to make money on? It's like a pip. Maybe. Well, I don't know SPY that well. I don't trade it as often as they do. Maybe that's enough. You're one of a kind. There is no debate. Bingo, Boppo. Watches are not set. Okay. TikTok, you should have been quiet on TikTok. I used to have a bunch of idiots on TikTok. Oh my God. Yeah, you're trading in 1910. What kind of system are you using? It's so outdated. They have no clue. These little kids that don't even know their fucking name. They can't even grow a fucking beard. Well, I can't grow a beard either, but well, I guess a little. All right. This is so much fun. Wow. Re-enter. I love the NQ1 and NAS 100. They have not completed their to the worn lines 5-minute highs. They will. Okay. Wow. Neat. I had no idea you can do that. Wow. Boppity boop bop. Boop bop. So 3, it's really 12 o'clock here, right? 12:30. Okay. Dustin. All right, I got to give him a couple hours, and after a couple hours, we got to check on Dustin. And then a damn business license, people. Fuck. Kevin, what do I see? You're using the 5-second blue line as entry. No, you can't. I'm just telling you all to jump in. I'm just trying to give you all a generic entry. That's all. You can go down from the 5-minute, look for entry for the orange line to be underneath. I can give you all that. I'm just trying to avoid that right now. We get into our VIP only. I'll go into a little more entry for you. But you don't. All you need to know, let me be clear on this. Maybe I didn't say it clearly. We know where it's going. If it's right here, put your buy stop halfway between here, the orange line, and there. I'm trying to get you in a little early. I'm going to put you in about 29,811. But if you went up to about here, 29,824, demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
And that's a pretty nice one too. You come in somewhere around there and you get to there. Yeah, that's 40 pips. Now I know you're making a shit ton of money off of NQ and NAS 40 pips movement up. That's huge. Huge. See the tip right here? Look. If that is not an erect nipple, I don't know what is. If this isn't a weird kind of thicker erect nipple or a half moon, I don't know what is. If this isn't forming one right now, I don't know what is. So you see how you wait? Usually you're going to get that little jettison or this right here. See your W right there? That barely hooked into the buy. This is a buy stop again though, which means it was probably like a 7-minute fill in the gap trade or something. Perfect though. Perfection. Love it. Uh-oh. Hey, yo, what happened? Well, I'm a little confused. I just saw their messages and they're not here. What in the world? I thought. I'll reschedule and do it live. All right. Where are we at? Yeah, don't care, don't care. Yes, that looks good, looks good. Yeah, looks real good. That's when it was on the 5-second blue. I've seen that's always the case. No. I would get careful with the always on that one. The always and nevers and that kind of thing. I'd be a little careful. Look how nice this is. Just so easy to use. Jeez. All buys and a sell. Even if you guys can't, look at the red. Do you see the red on SQQ? Look, there it is. See the green? They're just always opposite. I don't understand where people come off doubting this. Fill in the gap, trade, sell, fill in the gap, trade, sell. This is an actual sell stop forming right here. Just like you have it broke the red right here, it turned to green. This broke green, it turned to red. It's gonna here too. I think they're all gonna flip. That's why I went up to that 7 minute. I figured we'll maybe be able to hold the 7. 7 is nice. The 10 too, see? Pink purple pulling up high now. This is really nice. Filling the gap, low, filling the gap. This 10 minute is gorgeous. Just takes a little longer to develop, that's all. It might not even rise again. We had a beautiful 3 minute today. I don't know if they'll do another 5 minute. I think there's plenty of time to do it, but we'll see. Might be tomorrow before they hit that. Any more questions on this particular group of trades that we're doing live? We made money on ES1, SPX, SPY. Didn't finish on NAS or NQ. In my opinion, didn't finish on SQQ either, by the way. Still money to be made on the sell if you want to look at it. No more questions? Interesting. I'd really like to see a trader, and there used to be, I don't think he's around anymore, there used to be this guy a couple of years ago that was like debunking traders. He said he was a professional trader, and he was in his little suit and tie, and he'd say, oh, this trader doesn't know what he's talking about, this trader does. The fuck? You don't know what you're talking about, dickweed. You're judging other people. Good luck. In all the years, he never came on and did one thing with me. Not one time did he try to debunk me. I dare someone to try to come on and do it. Come on right now and show me how these let's go to the one I called this morning. Show me how there wasn't a buy stop here, 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 and here, and here, and there was a sell at the same time. How are you going to debunk it? That's why he never came on, because the dumbass doesn't know what he's talking about. I hate people that think they know what they're doing and they don't. It drives me fucking bonkers. Talk shit. If you can back it up, talk all the shit you want. If that trader can come on, any trader wants to come on and says, oh, I got you. This is a buy. This is a sell. This is this. We can go down to 5. Then great. I'll be thrilled. Love to welcome into open arms. It hasn't happened in 4 years, 5 years almost. Screw them. Sick of other traders. You've been spot on, more time on live than any guru has spent studying, trading, and doing lives combined. Amen to that. Looks like you have, odd too, but it looks like we have SPX, ES1 leading. Hell, even SPY's going up. What I don't see is NAS and NQ going up as quickly. You still have time for NQ and NAS for your buys. I'm trying to stay here so you can see the whole movement without me flipping around, but it's so boring to me. It drives me nuts how boring this is sometimes, like watching paint dry. I can't believe I got the little camera up. I got so much done today. Again, move-in ready house. No cameras were in the house. No furniture in the house. We are getting the windows cleaned. Cheap too. I couldn't, but they're willing to clean 24 windows. I think we had 24 or 26. Let's just say 25. 25 windows for cheap. Dirt cheap. Couple $100. I couldn't believe it. I was like, damn, that's cheap as fuck. Inside and out, hell yeah, knock yourselves out. The spa, needs a good, oh, it's clean. I just, I found out the make and model of it and everything, but they're coming out to show me how to change the filters and clean everything, keep everything good. It's just, there's a lot to do with our new home. An understatement of the year. David said, my QQQ call I got when you called NQ buy was 37. Now it's 67 for NQ. Oh, good. Oh, he's doing QQQ. I don't have QQ open, but it's the same. They're all the same. Yay, thanks for the call out. All right. Yay. That's almost double your money, by the way, 37 to 67. That's really good. See, they're going good. SPX and ES1, I don't know. Normally they're kind of lagging, but today they're kind of leading the way. There's only so much time I can install here. Then we're going to have to move. I got to do something else. Wow. So pretty. Come sit next to me, kitty. Ha! There she blows again. Oh shit, oh shit. Don't fuck around, don't fuck around. There we go. No, don't go down. Why do you decide you want to go down every time? I don't want you to go down. I don't like you going down. It's such beautiful. See, like the mountain, oh, you can't see that. I can show you over here now. But the mountains in the background, you see? Can you see that? Can you see that? No, maybe, yeah, like that. They look like in the video they're far away. Well, they're probably extremely far away, but they're really big. Like you can see them to the left, straight ahead, to the right. They're huge. They're so beautiful. Last night with the clouds and the way the sun was hitting and reflecting, it was just so pretty. Oh my God, such good for the soul, I swear. Hey, look, a little, oh, can't see him. Look like a little fella. How cute. And I don't know how that golf course stays open. There's not many people that golf. First of all, is golf even a sport? Yeah. Everyone's gonna get mad at me. Golf's a sport. I don't know about that. You still have time to enter NQ, NAS. You're kind of in the money again on Jiminy Christmas. You're in the money again on ES1, SPX, and SPY. Sorry. They all went back up and touched the orange line and went past it. Damn. Well, you're all in the money again. Okay. All right. Well, I'm trying to show you how accurate the system is. I think we're all good. I'm going to go ahead and move away from these. I hate to do it, but that's boring. All right. Does anybody have any questions in VIP land? Anything you want me to go over, please ask now. While we're waiting for that, remember our biggest rules that we ever have in the system, the most important rules in the rules, it says always thank God and always do good with your profits. Those aren't optional. If you're greedy and you keep all the money to yourself, it's not going to last for you. I promise you it will not. If you're not thankful to God, I don't care if you want to call God Jesus, Muhammad, Flying Spaghetti Monster, but if you're not thankful, I'm telling you right now, that's not good for you. It's going to come back and haunt you. I give God all the credit. I am a humble servant of God. I don't take any of the credit for myself. I give God all the credit in the world for everything that you see. I give God all the credit for people retiring from my program. Bip, bip, diddy-doop, dop. Just like, hey, what's going on? Just like John Parker and Kirk Brown both were on this morning. Retired. Kirk's in Thailand living his life. And then his daughter came to visit him, and he's out to eat with his daughter today in Thailand because of the safety trade system. Yay. I kind of want to get at least a couple more people retired in the next couple months. We need to keep adding VIPs to retired lists. Oh, we had, listen to this fucktardery. Okay, hold on. Fucktardery, I'm so funny. Listen to this shit. Okay. Do you support things you believe in? Yes or no? Okay. Of course, yes. This really happened. What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, let me give you hints here, guys. Each and every one of you, I'm going to keep working on until we get you retired, right? Yes, you cracked me up, Coach. All right, we're doing my best. We're going to keep going. If you guys respond, you tell me what's wrong, I will fix everything that you guys are doing wrong, but you have to speak up. Some of you do, most of you don't. Hopefully, you know, you do. What's up, Bel Flacco? Tech, and I absolutely will. So listen, if in fact the system gets you to the point where you don't need me anymore, the system anymore, I couldn't be any happier for you. Lots of people do that. Lots of our members do that. But if you come in to the VIP and you did everyone, yes or no, 7s for yeses, yes for yeses, no for no's, 9s for no's. Did every one of you agree to stay into the VIP group for 1 year? Yes or no? Did you agree to that? Yes or no? Okay. So you do know there's consequences if you don't follow through with your word, right? So no one comes into this group without agreeing for a year. And we've had 3 members quit. I think it's 3 was. And what we're looking at on those 3 members that quit, permanent ban for life, kicked out of the system, kicked out of the thing. You will never get back in. If I give you my word, I'm going to do something. I'm here fucking every day. The first year, year and a half, I never missed 1 day of doing lives. If you commit to a year and something happens, your mother passes, you have this, whatever, and you write us, that's a different story. And you give us an explanation, we talk, great. This gentleman actually had the nerve to, it was a guy, write in and say, oh, I'm doing good enough, I don't need you anymore. Well, John doesn't need us, Jay doesn't need us, Tommy doesn't need us, Kirk doesn't need us, but the reality of it is they support it anyways. You would always support the things you love, financially, time-wise, and if you're supporting, say you're making so much money, $20,000 a month, $50,000 a month, whatever you're at, and you're getting to the point where you're just making so much, you just think you're the king of the hill, great. And then you write me an email and you say, oh, thanks for teaching me how to trade. I don't need you anymore. Fuck you, rot in fucking hell. Am I clear? Now, Bree says I shouldn't talk like that. I got to be nicer. I'm edifying you guys. It doesn't mean, if I'm speaking life into you, doesn't mean I have to be nice all the time. If I'm speaking life into you and I'm scaring the shit out of you, that if you agree to stay in 1 year with the VIP group and you quit it, you're done. I don't have any time for you. You're a liar and you're scum and I'm not dealing with you. Am I clear? 7s for yeses, please. Don't commit to this. I told everyone before, I always email you. Don't commit to the VIP group unless you can stay for a year. There's a reason behind that. A, it gives us financial stability for me and Bree. B, it gives you guys the ability to actually, he doesn't know what the fuck he's doing. He's going to try to come back just like William P. did, right? Just like William P. did. Don't be that. So Larry's like, I couldn't agree more. I'm sorry. So you'd be like, oh, you're being mean. You're being too rough. Well, don't agree to the fucking year. And don't say you're doing so good you don't need me, that you can't support the system that made you do so good. He gave us all the credit in the world. Bass says, fair enough, right? Well, fair enough. Thank you, Marley Moore. Hey, Marley Moore, I didn't see you were here. Good to see you, Marley Moore. So that's all. If you believe in the system and it's helping you, support the system. Oh, I don't need you anymore. Okay. Well, you're banned for fucking life. You're not getting back in. He can apologize. He can suck up. He can throw money. I'm not letting him back in. We have a list of people who are, there's not too many, maybe a half dozen or so, but he joined it. He's done. Couldn't believe he did it. I was like, what the fuck? No, you just continue and you support, what the fuck? So at any rate, he's not getting the robot either, which is a scary thought because that shit's getting closer and closer now. They've been working on it again for the second step. He's not getting anything. He'll be banned. He's not getting anything. Ever. Again. And he was in the VIP group. He went from that to nothing. Wow. That's a big step. Everyone needs to recognize the money is so that Kev gets lives and teaches instead of using his time to... Amen. Correct crash. Imagine Kev on ODD spy options all day with his bankroll. It'd be wild. That is true, though. That is a very good point Crash has brought up over there. That is true. I can't even... We were up 130% on an option I called yesterday. I saw 24%. I never saw the 130% because I can't create the... When I'm done here, I have to go work on the BreeBot code. When I'm done with the BreeBot code, I have to go change the entrances and change our BSs to the greens, and I have to go do when I'm done doing that, I have to go make payments. When I'm done doing that, I have to go put up a camera. When I'm done doing that, what the fuck? I mean, and I'm supposed to trade in the meantime with all this shit, and I do, but lordy, on those quick, that's why the long options work so well for me. When they're long-term options, it's just so much easier. I sit back, I don't give a fuck. It could take 2 or 3 months. It's slow. I'm thinking of the HPQ's Decembers I did this past January when it was up 1,800%. It'd be so easy to do, but trying to help y'all, but god dang, you got to get back in and out. Wow. Yeah. All right. Well, enough on that one, but yeah, that's correct. So hard. If you don't give your absolute all to trading and you don't focus in on it, I mean, your ass is handed to you faster than you can move. I don't understand how any of you continued without the safety trade system. One of the guys I was talking to yesterday, I won't say the name, but it was a little interview on our live with somebody, But you're talking about, it was since like 96, so almost like 25, 30 years. I don't know how he continue to go. I mean, it's hard to lose for 20 years and continue to think. And his view was, well, I just knew I can get financially independent and retire. And he did. He's since done that with the system. But damn, that's tough. Let's see. I'm going to give myself about another hour to 2 hours. Let's see how we go on this. I'm going to do an hour for you. I forgot. I'm supposed to be, oh shit. I'm supposed to be doing my 30 minutes and telling you guys 30 minutes. All right. Any questions over what I went over about you agreed to stay in the VIP group? Honor your word. I don't want to hear any of this bullshit, sob stories, this and that. You agreed for a fucking year? You do, and by the way, look at this shit. Look at these are blank on top. But all of this, on my little thing, all this right here are notes that I have to redo. Oh wait, more notes. Notes for our options so I don't fuck those over again. More notes over here that go on top of this. You're right. Yeah, I don't know why I don't get any of the stuff. Oh, and I gave you the new updated Uno bot, Uno reverse bot at the same time. Still trying to get the local business license, which we don't need because we're still in, we still have our original houses over there in Georgia. But yeah, good luck. But I'm going to sit here for a couple more hours trying to help you guys. So VIPers, speak up. What can I help you with, Miss Priscilla, Miss Shalita, Miss Elizabeth? You know, there was a Miss Elizabeth, by the way, in wrestling. Oh, yeah, the Macho Man, Randy Savage. Yeah. So anyway, he was with Miss Elizabeth. I think he got her drugged or something, and she died real young, and so did he. Crazy. Thank you for making the effort and being here for us. You're welcome, Fayez. I'm trying, bro. Trying. Sometimes it helps. Obviously, we're getting people retired. Some people are doing a lot better. And sometimes I can't reach everybody. Everyone has had hard times. It's not that hard to reach out and contact you or Bree. You guys are very compassionate people and very understanding. Everyone is crazy if people don't support what changed lives. You didn't even have to share this. Correct. Thank you, Larry. 100% accurate statement by Larry. That is correct. I'm grateful for you all being here. I'm grateful for you all supporting us, getting this message out there. I am really, really getting more motivated. It seems like being here in Vegas at a permanent residence that we now own is good for my soul. I'm starting to feel a lot better after Keith's death now. I think a change of scenery is helpful. You know, my dad had passed recently, my mom a couple of years prior, then my dad a couple of years ago, and then Keith passing. Oh, Mom was a hard one. But I wish she was here. She could see this house, see the location, see everything we've achieved. Well, she saw that when I had the gyms and I was a self-made millionaire. She did see that first house, but I lost it all. I felt terrible. Yay. I still was thinking, Mom's up there giving me a good word to Jesus. I know she's in Jesus' ear. Help my son. Do this for my other son. Do this for Kevin. Do this for Michael. Help Janine. She's up there. I know she is. She's bugging Jesus. She's letting him have it. Well, why aren't you letting him do this? Mom is the best. You couldn't ask for a better mom than my mom. Ever. Ever. Any questions on TikTok or YouTube? Anything I can help you with in VIP? Please speak up. You can talk, you can write it out. I won't even show it if you write it out. You can shoot an email in VIPers. I don't care. Anything I can help you with, Ryan, please let me know. Marley Mar, please let me know. Larry, Johnster, Jason, Fayez, Doughboy, David, whatever you're having. If you're not consistent, remember you're supposed to be writing down your trades, journaling your trades. Minimum, you're supposed to be doing that. Next is, you're not just supposed to be journaling your trades, you're supposed to be videoing your trades. I want you all to, because some of you I know for a fact are having wrong trades go against you, losing money. Show us the trade. Video record the trade. Play it back. So now we've had people record their trades and write it back and tell me the right times. I think we've had 2 or 3 of those. Thank God that they did that. I've yet to see anybody in the VIP group record a trade and show me what went wrong. You really should. You really should. It's how we're going to help you. The only thing I want to train on basically would be finding better entries on the lower time frames without having any drawdown. Well, that's all. No drawdown Fayez. Well, we can look at that, sure. It's a little hard to do, but we will try. What's up, Dr. Mike? Hey, brother, what's up, Mike? Oh, shit. Oh, is that trash? Oh my goodness, our first trash day. Woo! Oh, I think they blew right past my trash can. Oh, fuck. Well, hopefully they got our trash. I don't know. We have a lot of trash. What's up, brother? Yeah, what the fuck? Oh, hold on a second, guys. I'm going to be right back. Oh, do I have to chase down the trash people? Did they not do our trash? Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. Silly me, it wasn't the trash. I'm wondering if they get it. I thought they'd do mornings, but evidently not. All right, I'm back. What the hell is this 20-minute NQ1? NQ1 20-minute? Does anyone see this? Hold on. What is this? 30 seconds. Look, I didn't notice this. All right, peeps. This is a tough question for everybody. I've been calling out NAS to the 20-minute blue line. It hit it right here. What is this right here? Talking about an Oreo fucking trade. Look, right there. What is that? You wonder why NQ is when I'm calling out. Well, there's your reason. Look, everything's past this 20-minute blue line except for NQ1. So if we go over to NQ1, let me look at the 20-minute. Oh, wrong thing. Hold on. Sorry. Let's go back to here to the 10-second. Let's go back to this one to the 20-minute. Sorry. There we go. All right, and let's see what we got. Oh, it's just below it. Yeah. NQ1 and NAS are kind. I think. Yeah, it went above it, so it went above. There you go. So yeah, this is perfect. Now, remember when I was just explaining to you earlier in the show, these just turned to green, fill in the gap, just turned to green, slight fill in the gap, just turned to green, fill in the gap, just turned to green, slight fill in the gap, turn to green, fill in the gap, right? So when you look at these trades now, the 20-minute is forming the logo buy. It's coming down, it's going to hook and come back up again. And that's what this logo is. Personally, the pink isn't low enough here on SPY. It is low enough here on NQ, not exactly for SPX or ES1. It's already shot up and done its thing over here. So we're kind of no, and then yeah. So I would look for NAS and NQ again, and specifically NQ to ricochet and come back up across this blue line. And the reason for that call is because we have over here, hold on, over here, right below. And this will finish it up. I made this call earlier for you, and that's it. Now looks like we're flipping to downward movement, but it's going to eventually hook and come back up to there again. I already did it once today. See this pullback? Look how cute that is. See, it's flipping coming down now, so be careful. But again, it'll rise back up and do it. All it's doing is whatever that, remember we were just over here on that 5 minute, 10 minute and all that business down here we were looking at. This is gorgeous. You have re-entries for all ES1, SPX, NQ, SPY, NQ, NAS, and USD. You have all re-entries. You can get back into the trades again. They're giving away the free money again. This hasn't even gone down on SQQ yet. This is free money giveaway. All indices, 10-minute buy, SQQ, 10-minute sell.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Some people just don't see value. I don't know. Some people are just cheap-ass, greedy-ass pigs. I don't know what to say. As long as you don't speak badly of the system. That's the only thing I've always asked. As long as you, because William P., this person right here, he left, he thanked us for everything, said he had to take some time off. He went away, I think it was almost 2 years. He came back, and this is what he said. Anybody want to read it out loud on VIP? Anybody at all? Feel free. If you don't want to, that's fine. Anybody want to read it? Long live Las Vegas. We got to get you out here, brother. Whatever peptides, I know. Mike got me on a whole bunch of good ones. Guilty society. No one wants to read this out loud? I'll read it out loud. This is from one of our members. Hey, Kev, it's William. I just bought the system again. You were right. Everything else is fucked. Not my words, his. Laughter out loud. I'm ready to be seeing consistent profits again. Everyone decides, well, this system isn't the greatest. Oh, it works for Kevin. It works for a certain number of people. Are they really profitable? Is Kirk really in Thailand right now? Is John Parker able to retire? Did Tommy really make a $200,000 trade? And they get to doubting and they quit the system and they go try all these other fucking gurus. And you know what I see? Dozens and dozens of you come back after 6 months, after 3 months, after a year, after 2. You all come back because nothing else out there fucking works. Everything else is fucked. And he's right. That is a direct quote, and I'm quoting him. He's right. So if you guys leave, just don't say anything bad. Just don't do anything. You're going to regret it. Because if I find out, and I do get, everyone rats everybody else out. Trust me, we get emails all the time. If I find out through anybody else and I see that you wrote something bad, said something bad, you're banned for life. No fucks giving, no refunds giving. You're banned for life. Clear? Because you can quit and you can come back. If you quit and come back bad-mouthing things, you ain't setting foot back in here. It ain't happening. Okay? I think we're going to use this. I swear to God, I'm going to use this. This is so funny to me. This should be the only quote ever given to anyone that's out there. Hey, Kev, it's William. Just bought the system again. You were right. Everything else is fucked. You can try it. Go try the stupid Trade Academy, whatever they call themselves. Go try somebody that teaches you support. Go try it. Go try somebody that teaches you Fibonacci. I tried them. I got fucked. I got fucked out of tens of thousands of dollars. Hell, me and my brother bought a gold bot, $5,000. The motherfucking gold bot didn't even make one fucking trade. Did it, Mike? Did it, Mike? Is Mike still here? Yeah, no, you'll get fucked. Or you can come here, I'll teach you, I'll train you, I'll tell you if you're in the VIP, I'll give you fucking options even, regular trades. Mike, that's right. Okay? This is so great. Look at this trades. 3-minute buy this morning, perfect. 5-minute buy, did it live, perfect. It's going back down again so we can re-enter again. They just can't give us enough free money. They can't give us enough free money. They just want us to have money. Remember, all you VIPers, you need to look inside the Discord, specifically this room. These are the calls from yesterday. 100% accurate. I told you exactly when to get into this trade. This wasn't a buy stop. This was enter then, in the money again, 2-minute buy, next. It did that exact same thing. Right? I did a 1-second buy for you guys. Buy stop, right? And it did perfect. Matter of fact, very little drawdown on it. Matter of fact, there was no drawdown on that first call yesterday. Today, on the 14th, official call, and it literally just happened. And it went up, we're in the money, re-enter, went up, you're in the money. Maybe Solila. Oh, okay, hold on a second, I'll be right back. Hello?
Hi, this is Leah calling from the sponsor.
Yes, hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Doing good.
Yes, I was just calling to get you scheduled for that purge, drain, and clean. I have availability for next Friday, the 24th.
Sure, what time would that be?
It will be between 9 and 12 p.m.
9 and 12. Perfect. That's 12, so spa.
Call about 30 minutes prior.
Okay, and what is your name?
My name is Julia.
And got it. Okay, anything else I need to be aware of for the guy coming, or is it all good?
No, all good. Do they have access?
Do they have access? Yeah, the pool to the spa, yes ma'am. Mm-hmm. Are they gonna contact me first so that when I'm here, because I'll be home, no worries.
Yeah, he'll give you a call once he's on the way, about a half hour prior.
Okay. The problem comes in on that. Can he text? I don't always answer the numbers I don't know. Well, we'll do the best we can. I'll be home, but yeah, I'll do the best I can with that.
Yeah, I'll make a note for him to give you a call and send you a text as well.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right, thank you, bye-bye. Oh, that was sweet. All right, so that takes care of her. Let me get her number. Getting the spa cleaned. Oh, Mike, I didn't tell you, it ends up the dang gone spa isn't just a spa, that's a swim spa or something. What did I say it was yesterday? Any rate, they paid $38,000 for that spa, Mike. 38,000, so 40,000. Hell, you used to be able to build a pool for less than that. Literally, the whole pool. Crazy how much things have gone up. Crazy. Economy. All right. So make sure, VIPers, you check this room and put on the alerts to this room. Some will be buy stops, some will be market order entries. Some will be options I put in here. But you're going to want to take these trades. These are the ones. Oh, by the way, we already had the miss. I had one miss in this thing. So I'm perfectly happy now. Because I was worried when the first one hit, when would it happen? But we've had one miss. Oh, shit, I've got to turn my camera back on. There we go. What's up, VIPers? Little hat. All right. So entrances on faster time frames. The CPI NAS call was crazy. Love the calls in the chat, Elizabeth. Thank you, Miss Elizabeth. Jason. CPI, yeah. We played CPI. I called CPI at 7:15 this morning. If you guys don't know what CPI, Consumer Price Index, means nothing other than the market moves a little bit when it calls it. That's why I play it. I only play 3 newses or 4, NFP, CPI, sometimes PPI, and then FOMC if I'm on it like 2 in the afternoon. Long story short is I called out CPI this morning at 7:15 a.m. all morning long. I said it's going to go down, and then when CPI comes out, it's going to go up, period. I said I don't give a fuck if it goes down. I'm only going to play it up. I told you the exact entrance to take, and of course it went and did exactly that, and we made shit tons of money on that. Demo money only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Look for any buy stop, and this is different now, until that 20-minute blue line is penetrated again. See, it's right below it right here. We need this little green dotted line is going to go back up over that blue line. Then it's going to go up over the orange line. That little dotted line's going to go up past the green candles too. Imagine Goroff, I know, right? Actually, Goroff is an interesting case, but that's okay. What do we got there? Good. Is it getting ready to now? It's getting better. You can clearly see pink line low, purple's coming down to join it, not there yet. Pink line kind of down, but not really. Pink line down, purple's joining it. Pink line isn't down, pink line's down. So yeah, I would say a little more downward pull is going to happen before this is finished based on this. We need a little more pullback, a little more pullback. And of course, this has to come up. The orange has to come up. So price action is going to come up. Again, right, we want it to rise. It used to be, I used to teach it like that. Right into the channel, or better yet, right above the channel. Then you want to see the little pokey thing sticking out like that. And then there you go, pop, pop, pop. Opposite for here, we're going to see it come down, maybe bounce off the yellow like that, or into that space like that. If we get super lucky, we'll go below the green line like that, and we'll make even more money. And if that, it's going to do it on all of them. That's what you're seeing right there. So you'll see it either bounce off the yellow, go right into that little green-yellow channel right there, just like that. And that's what you're going to see. So somewhere around here would be where you want to start looking again for re-entry. 750, 751, start looking for re-entry there. It may flip sooner than that, and that's just your tough shit. Unless you're down on those 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, then you can re-enter those trades again. But again, you can clearly see, look at SPY. Everyone here now knows in the VIP room, watch. Everybody knows what our logo trade is, right? I'm gonna move it way over here so we can still see. All right. Remember our little logo trade. Starts off red, right here. Then when these all turn to green, we wait for the fill in the gap. Well, watch what happens. It's kind of tricky sometimes. You're gonna see it turn to green, right? Then it stays green, and then it's going to hook down and show space, a gap. It kind of is. On 20 minute, it'd be better if we get this purple line to come down too, like that. I like this to join it down there. This blue stays strong. Price action is going to dip a little bit more to right there, right in the channel. Go up past its orange line and then past here. Matter of fact, it's going to keep going. It's going to go here, here, and then off the charts there. Does everyone see the logo trade forming on SPY right now? Yes or no? Can we have a lesson on the rifle? Absolutely, Faz. You get one every time I switch it. Every time I switch symbols, you get a lesson on the life thing. Love the calls in the chat. Nice. Imagine Goroff. Okay. Yes, to get the best entries using the flip concept. And can we use for NAS, for example? Yeah, I guess. Let's take a look at NAS, see what he wants. So here's NAS. Red flips to green. When it flips to green, you can see they're all green. Purple, low, pink, already down, blue high. Now, as far as the rifle goes, let's switch over from here and go over to which rifle do I want to fire off first? No, this one. Yeah. Let's go over to NAS. So as we look at NAS, you want to know, is it moving up or down and to where? That is your lesson. So if you understand the rifle, you'll understand that the fourth time period throws out an entry, but you can enter once it starts to flip all over. Damn, that took forever. What's taking so long? Jeez, oh pizza. All right, so that is a legit buy stop to the blue line. Sell, sell, sell. Let's check that 30-second out and see what's up. Yeah, sell towards the 30-second blue line. So then what do we see? We see this green take over. So it flips to buys. I see something to the blue line on the 4-hour, but I'm wondering why is it calling that? It's kind of, well, it is. It's a sell to the blue line. It's not a good one. It needs to rise up more for it to hook, but nonetheless it is. Now if we go up here, so for instance, if I was going to enter this trade on NAS, I would never trade NAS alone. That's why we have so many other symbols to trade with it. 1 second flips, 5 second flips, 10-second flips. Oh, you missed your chance to enter. So you want to enter the trade before all the red here turns to green. So if we go way back down here. See, this is not even there yet. Let's go a little bit underneath that. Yeah, okay. So what you're gonna see, this is a fill in the gap forming right here. What are we on, 15-second or some shit? I forgot what I even clicked. Yeah, 15-second sell. It's already came down. It's already hooking down. It's doing good. Okay, so this is a 15-second sell. Well, eventually you're gonna see a 1-second buy on NAS. This is going to turn from all red, which these cells are, to green. And then the 5-second will turn to green, meaning it's going to go up, and then it's going to go up. Well, as price goes up, right, and then it's going to go towards the 10-second blue line, and then it's going to go, right? So as this goes up, just take an entry before it goes up and these all turn green again. Okay, that's for my 3rd time. Now, we don't trade NAS alone for the 2nd time I said that. Do we ever trade an indice alone? Ever, for any reason? Negatory, negatory. No, we don't. No, we don't. Correct, Faz. So I'm teaching you how to use the NAS by itself, but that's useless. This is why you guys have the VIPers have the absolute cream de la creme of every indicator. Well, we can't see this one because I blew it up, but you guys can see it because you still have the unmessed up version that I did. So this is actually having on there the US 30. It doesn't have US 30. It has NAS, NQ, SPX, ES1, SQQ, and SPY on it, right? You can't see it, but it's right there. When these start to flip from red to green, all of them, so not just ES1, not just NAS, not just, see, they do this. And then eventually you're going to see maybe something like this. Well, when this happens, this will be your entrance. You'll play this to the blue line. Now, would this constitute, yeah, this is a market order entry. When this flips, 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 as soon as the, say NAS, or say in this case, ES1 flips to green and SPX hasn't, take a market order entry until that turns green. Okay? So that's another way of looking at it. Now, these are all going to go more red though. You're going to see all these flip red. Now, there's another way. You can come over here, maybe. Nope, maybe here. Yep. And you can put it halfway between. So let's use NAS as our example. This is where NAS is at, right here. You can see the dotted line. This is where NAS is going to. So somewhere in between here and there, and I usually use about halfway, so maybe that green line would be about there. This is your entry. Take profit 1. Leave a runner open and let them run. Then you'll get these profits too. This is your buy stop here, green, 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 red. Pink, purple, blue, all low. Now, you can put your entry right halfway between. Believe me, I'm dumbing this down to the nth degree. Or, if we determine that 5 minute is what we're looking for, and that's high, which really isn't, so we have to go up higher now. Yeah, there we go. And even higher than that now, because it's not a full logo. Much better. Okay? So we see the fill in the gap here. We see the red logo trade right there. We see the blue line was high. Pink did it once. This is the first time pink and purple are doing it right here. So this is going to do it. So what you can do then is look for entry. If we know we're live, so we're looking at it right now, we need to have the orange below and preferably the yellow below or right on the red to look for entry. So we're at the 5 minute. Do I go up or down from here to look for entry? Do I go down to the 4 minute, 3 minute looking for entry, or do I go to the 6, 7, 8 minute to look for entry? Down, okay. So I'm gonna go from the 5 minute, and this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a full on buy, green, 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 red. I'm looking for the orange line to be below. I'm looking for the yellow to be below. Psh, okay, that looks like everything, pink, purple, blue, yep, this is everything I want. So if I was gonna go hunt for a very, very fast option, if I was looking at this, which we're not, then I would go, if we had Nadex, which they dismantled, fucktards. Any rate, I would look here and I would do entry once it got at the point where it is, it's a live breathing thing, it's gonna move down as it comes down, but somewhere 29,580. Yes, I'm giving the secret sauce. I always do every day. Down to where is the red. Down to where there is red on the buy stop. Red on the buy stop. Again, the exact lowness, not worried about. All I know is it's flipping to come back up again. I know to enter when this crosses over the top after these are low. I'd really prefer you to let the pink line rise and then wait for that cross to happen, but whatever. So you can do it off of this entry right here where the orange line is when it crosses above it. You can do halfway. You can do a market order entry and just dollar cost average in. And then you can do what's called an option. And NAS has options. And you can do option trading. And that will eat any of your down movement. Baby, baby, baby. Baby, baby, bops. I'm a baby. You're a bops. Baby, baby, bops. Baby, baby, bops. At this point, how do we determine the entry with the lowest DD? If you're looking for drawdowns, you don't, if you don't want, the higher the time frame, statistically speaking, until the rebot's completed, the higher the time frame, the more the drawdown. It's just the way it rolls. It's just the way it rolls. So if I was, I would never trade 5 minute, 4 minute scalping with no drawdown, if that's what you're worried about. I would be going down to the 5, I would do this exact same thing I just showed you. I would do it down in the 5 second, 10 second, 15 seconds if you're looking for as little drawdown as possible. Now, if you actually time it right on the higher time frames, you won't have much drawdown anyways, but there is going to be some on a 4-hour trade because sometimes it's just the way it is. Because you guys look at drawdown as a bad thing. I look at drawdown as who the fuck cares? As long as you know where it's going in the meantime, you don't care. Meaning when we do those daily, weekly options, the options just eat the drawdown. I don't care that it, you know how many times that United Healthcare and J&J, United Healthcare, HPQ, you know how many times those things went up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. I was in the money, out of the money, in the money, out of the money. I was in profit, out of profit, in money, negative. I was out everything, down 90%, up 1,200%. Dozens of times. I don't care. Well, I cared on the one that was quick today. That kind of hurt with HPQ. I kind of thought that we should have caught that. But we did an option yesterday and went up to 130%. And I didn't see it go up, so I couldn't get it out. Oh, cancel Starlink. I couldn't read my own writing. That says star. That's too funny. I can't even read my own writing. I don't know. This is just fun to me. I can do this shit every day, all day. TikTokers, any question? Oh, there's only 3 of you. Damn, that's pitiful. 10 of you on YouTube. I'm pretty grateful you guys are here. Fayez, I've given you multiple modes of entry, of which I think options are the easiest. They just eat your draw, where you don't have any drawdown, because it doesn't matter. As long as it's up by the time the expiry happens, you're in the money. That's all that matters. So options to me absorb your losses. You guys are so used to stop losses, you get tapped out all the time. I know what's happening. It's just, I don't know, no faith in the system, I guess. Thank you, Kev. I got it, Kevin. Oh, Dev, Kev, I got you. You think you got it? If I ask, keep asking. I love how you speak up and ask. The way I would use options, simple as can be. I would use a single leg option, call, buy, call, open position. We're gonna go over some options next, actually. All right. TikTokers and YouTubers, any questions? I'm going to kick you off. I'm going to go VIP only. VIP or stay there. We're not going anywhere. Damn, we're only at 9 people in VIP? What the fuck, peeps? Well, I'm glad you guys are here. The 9 that are here. I mean, the platform. Oh, that I can't help you with. I'm sorry. Is anybody in the Middle East that knows an option trading platform that Bashir can use, or that Fayez can use? If you do, please speak up. Bass on that. You're welcome, Bass. All right, TikToker's going to run. God bless you all. Remember, life is short. Make great memories with the people you love. Hopefully, we can take those memories with us. God bless you on TikTok. YouTubers, you're welcome, Crash and Bass. Thank you all on YouTube. God bless you all. 149 minutes. Over 2.5 hours I was on.